Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to fix something a lot of people have been missing on YouTube, and that's the dislike counter. As we can clearly see right now, YouTube doesn't show dislike counts anymore. You can still dislike videos, but you can't see how many people did it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to bring it back in just a few easy steps. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open a new tab and go to Google. Now search for Chrome Web Store and open the official website. Make sure it's the real one. Once you're there, use the search bar and type in Return YouTube Dislike. Now you'll see the extension pop up. Click on it and then hit Add to Chrome. Wait a few seconds while it installs, and if it asks for confirmation, just allow it. Now here's the important part. It won't show up instantly. You'll need to refresh YouTube or restart your browser for it to start working properly. After that, go back to any YouTube video, and boom! As you can see, the dislike counter is back. Pretty simple, right? If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.